All right, big Tremblant week. It's now 10 in the morning, Sunday on the 25th, which is my mom's birthday. We're headed up to Tremblant. It's gonna be like kind of like a dual celebration between Rick, my brother-in-law, my mom, and just like a family getaway. So it should be fun. I'm trying to go up early on Sunday. It's not that early, but early enough to get just, you know, a nice day in and see what happens. Bluebird Day.
Bluebird Day. Yay.
It is a gorgeous day at Tremblant today.
Doesn't get much better than this, Polly. Hey!
So I'm supposed to be skiing.
Huh?
I'm supposed to be skiing right now, but it's Mom's birthday and she came up.
You're not going to blame me, I hope.
No, I was just saying
Okay.
it's your birthday, so I might as well.
Yeah. So we're going to go have lunch.
Can't say no to Mom on her birthday. Especially when there's patio weather at a ski hill.
Yeah, exactly.
So day 2 Tremblant, Krista actually decided to drive up by herself. I'm so proud of her. She usually likes to just ride with me. I was like, come on, drive up by yourself, and she hates driving by herself, so she actually drove up. She's gonna be here in any minute, and I can't wait. I'm super stoked because you gotta have your right-hand man, you know, your right-hand girl. She's you know, partner in crime, as they say. So I'm super stoked she actually made the trip up here. She's gonna get here in any second. And I'm stoked. Look who made it!